Is your Volkswagen Passat B7's alarm randomly activating? The most common culprits are a faulty door latch microswitch, a failing Siren battery, or the need for a system reset. The door latch microswitch, a small electrical component inside the door latch, wears out over time. This sends false signals that the door is open, triggering the alarm. The Siren has its own battery, which can deplete or corrode, causing erratic behavior. We will be focusing on these two issues in the video. Replacing the door latch microswitch is the most common DIY fix for Passat B7 alarm issues. The microswitch is a small electrical component in the door latch that signals when the door is open or closed. You'll need basic tools, screwdrivers to access the door panel, and a multimeter to test electrical continuity of the microswitch. Start by removing the door panel screws and gently prying off the panel to access the latch. Disconnect the wiring harness, remove the old microswitch, and install the new one. Use the multimeter to test the microswitch continuity. When the switch is pressed, it should show a complete circuit, no resistance. This confirms the new switch works properly. After replacement, perform a simple key fob reset. Lock and unlock the doors 5 times using the key fob. This clears any stored error codes and recalibrates the alarm system. For a deeper reset, use an OBD2 scanner with VCDS software. Connect the scanner to reprogram the body control module and clear persistent alarm codes. Apply dielectric grease to the new microswitch contacts. This prevents corrosion and extends the life of the switch, especially in humid environments. Ignoring alarm issues can drain your car's battery over time. For detailed tutorials, check VW Vortex forums and YouTube channels like Eric the Car Guy.